In the race to space, one company believes in building a road to the stars. While others chase rapid launches and headline-grabbing tests, Blue Origin has been quietly working on a rocket designed for the long run, a rocket built for reliability, reusability, and the future. This is New Glenn, Blue Origin's upcoming heavy-lift launch vehicle, a rocket that could redefine commercial spaceflight. The story of New Glenn begins with Jeff Bezos, the founder of Blue Origin and Amazon. Named after John Glenn, the first American to orbit Earth, New Glenn represents Blue Origin's dream of creating a sustainable space economy, one where millions of people can live and work in space. Blue Origin's motto, Gradatim Ferociter, means step-by-step ferociously. And that's exactly how they're building New Glenn, carefully, methodically, and with the goal of long-term impact rather than quick results. Show archival footage of John Glenn, early Blue Origin rockets, New Shepard, and concept art of New Glenn. Standing 98 meters tall, New Glenn is one of the largest rockets ever built, taller than most skyscrapers and almost as tall as the mighty Saturn V. It's designed to carry up to 45 metric tons of cargo to low Earth orbit, making it a direct competitor to SpaceX's Falcon Heavy and NASA SSLS. The rocket has two stages. The first stage, powered by 7 BE-4 engines, will provide the main thrust during liftoff. The second stage, powered by a single BE-3U engine, will take payloads the rest of the way into orbit. What sets New Glenn apart is its reusability. The massive first stage is designed to return to Earth, land on a floating ocean platform, and be reused for up to 25 flights. Visual cue: show 3D renders of New Glenn, engine cutaways, ocean landing animations. At the heart of New Glenn lies the BE-4 engine, one of the most advanced rocket engines ever developed. Designed and built by Blue Origin, each BE-4 burns liquid oxygen, LOX, and liquefied natural gas, methane, a cleaner, more efficient fuel mixture than traditional kerosene. Methane offers two major advantages. It allows engines to be reused multiple times with less maintenance. It's a potential fuel of the future since methane can be produced on Mars, useful for long-term interplanetary missions. Each BE-4 produces 550,000 pounds of thrust, and with 7 of them on the first stage, New Glenn will lift off with nearly 3.85 million pounds of thrust. To put that in perspective, that's enough power to lift 30 full Boeing 747 airplanes at once. Close-up of BE-4 engine test fires, slow-motion flames, methane burn color differences. New Glenn's design philosophy revolves around efficiency and reusability. The first stage is equipped with landing legs and grid fins, similar to SpaceX's Falcon 9, allowing it to control descent and land safely on an autonomous ship in the Atlantic Ocean. But Blue Origin's focus is on longevity, building a rocket that can fly dozens of missions with minimal refurbishment. By reusing the same booster up to 25 times, Blue Origin aims to dramatically reduce launch costs while maintaining precision and reliability. Its enormous payload fairing, 7 meters wide, is also one of the largest ever built. That means New Glenn can carry multiple satellites, large telescopes, or even modules for future space stations in a single mission. Animation of booster landing, rocket reusability cycle, payload bay opening. New Glenn is designed to handle a wide range of missions, from commercial satellite launches to deep space exploration. Blue Origin has already signed contracts with major clients, including NASA, Eutelsat, and Amazon's Project Kuiper, which plans to launch thousands of broadband satellites to provide global internet coverage. The rocket's second stage will be capable of precise orbital insertions, enabling complex missions such as lunar cargo deliveries or space probe launches. Over time, Blue Origin also envisions using New Glenn as part of a larger system, one that could support human missions to the moon or help construct permanent orbital habitats in space. show Kuiper satellite animation, orbital insertion graphics, concept art of lunar cargo missions. New Glenn's journey has been one of patience and precision. Blue Origin has built a massive rocket factory at Cape Canaveral, Florida, where each section of New Glenn is assembled. The company has completed extensive engine testing, stage integration, and launch infrastructure development, including a brand new Launch Complex 36, a historic pad once used by NASA in the early space program. While the rocket's first flight has faced delays, Blue Origin's steady progress shows its commitment to getting it right. As of now, New Glenn is expected to make its first orbital flight soon, marking a major milestone not just for the company, but for the entire commercial space industry. Show time-lapse of factory builds, BE-4 testing, rocket sections being transported to launch pad. New Glenn enters a competitive era in spaceflight, alongside SpaceX's Starship, United Launch Alliance's Vulcan, and NASA's SLS. But competition drives innovation. While others race for speed, Blue Origin focuses on sustainability, creating systems that can last for decades and support a growing space economy. If successful, New Glenn could open a new chapter of reusable heavy-lift rockets, powering missions that reach far beyond Earth orbit. Show rocket comparisons side by side, Blue Origin logo glowing, future space habitats in orbit. From its sleek blue design to its powerful methane engines, New Glenn stands as a symbol of Blue Origin's long-term vision, a future where space is open to everyone. It's not just another rocket, it's a bridge from Earth to the endless possibilities beyond. Because for Blue Origin, space isn't the final frontier. It's the next destination,